Okay, we're going to be going over the tangent line. The tangent line is created when a cue ball or another object ball is striking another ball and what the path is off of that. So a simple way to remember what a tangent line is here, I have my piece of paper. I have the 6 and 14 that are frozen here together. Now, when they're frozen together, we're going to create a couple of lines from this. We're going to create a vertical line that goes in between them. But before we do that, we need to find the center of the 14 ball and the center of the 6 ball going vertical like this. Once I find those two lines on the 6 and 14, I can now draw that line in the middle between them both. And this here in the middle between these two is the tangent line. And as you can see, this line goes straight in the side pocket right here. So with that tangent line, anywhere if I hit the cue ball into the 6 ball on this side of the 6, that 6 will always go in this side pocket. And the way it goes in that side pocket is by sliding. So if I hit this cue ball with speed, the power of it will stay on the tangent line the whole time. If I hit too soft, the 6 ball will go off the tangent line. So speed is very key when you make this ball slide in the pocket here. So when I hit this 6 with the cue ball anywhere on this side of the table, I'm going to hit it with some speed so I can keep the 6 on the tangent line. Let's demonstrate that one. Again, all I have to do is make sure that the 6 ball is being struck anywhere on this side of it. I don't want to go too far on the left side of it. And here you can see that the 6 ball easily had a straight line right in that side pocket because I hit pretty fast. So what's nice to know about this is knowing exactly where the path of the ball is going to go next. So a lot of times we like to play, let's say, 9 or 10 ball, where we can do carom shots, as we call them, and it always represents on the tangent line. So a simple game, let's say 9 ball here. Once again, I'm using my tangent line skills off the 1 ball. I'm coming off and making my ghost again right here. I'm trying to find that tangent line so I can kiss off that 1 and then slide into the 9. So once again, I'm going to be hitting that with a little bit of power so I can make sure that the speed control stays along the tangent line here. Again, you can look at the video there, seeing that the cue ball was able to come off the 1 and keep that straight line, again, on that tangent, going all the way through and then knocking the 9 ball in. That's a really fun shot to use usually in these games. So we always want to know how the tangent lines work, and we got to know how the speed works off of it. It doesn't always work like that, just hitting soft. So if I hit too soft, the ball again can fall off the tangent line. So let's say if I'm right about here, and I'm going to be, let's say we go for a 1 ball shot in the side pocket towards the camera here. Again, the 1 ball is straight, the tangent line is straight towards this line, so I have to hit the cue ball again on this top quadrant. Now, if I do not hit this hard, or I don't hit it fast enough, that 1 ball will not stay on the tangent line. So watch as I hit this, I'm going to hit this soft. This 1 ball will not stay on the tangent line if I hit too soft. You can see it start drifting away towards the side pocket if it doesn't get enough speed at all. So we're going to try that again, but we're going to hit this with speed control so I can make a 1 go straight into the side pocket by using my tangent line correctly. So again, I have to hit the right side of the 1 on this quadrant here in order to make sure that the 1 stays on that tangent line. And I have to have speed control so the 1 ball slides there at ease. So yes, you can see again that tangent line really takes over. So we always want to use speed control. The speed of it is what's going to make the cue ball slide much easier. Let's try one more using the carom off the 14, hitting this object ball in the side pocket. So we're going to use the cue ball again to mark that area. So again, I have to visualize my, as I like to call it, ghost ball. Again, the ghost ball is going to be meeting right around here. If I hit anything up here or down there, the tangent line differs there. So if I hit right here, the tangent line will then go a different direction. So in order to make sure my 8 ball goes in, or in this case the object ball going in, I have to make sure my tangent line is set through, right about through the middle of the table here. Oh, make sure this is easy on my lovely valley table. So once again, my tangent line, I have to make sure it lines up through here so I can give a straight shot to that object ball in the side pocket. So again, a very, very useful tool. So you're going to see now what happens again if I hit this too soft. The speed control is always going to be the key thing in order to make sure your tangent lines are successful, or making sure your angles are set. So this time we're going to try to hit the cue ball on the 14, and then that cue ball will attempt to hit the 7, but since the speed control is always key, I'm going to be hitting this a little softer and show the results of what it looks like when you hit too soft over here, and see what happens for the tangent line. Watch the tangent line this time when I hit that spot, only with very little speed. You can see now the cue ball starts drifting away after I hit a little topspin, or just hitting too slow. So speed is what makes the cue ball or object ball stay along the tangent line.